Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today's video is my room tour. Now I'm really excited to show you guys my finished room. Now my room is very minimalistic and nothing too crazy. Like, I'm someone who keeps his room very super clean, super tidy and super simple. Now I'm not someone who holds stuff and collects stuff quite a lot compared to other people, so I like to keep things very simple, accessible and nice to look at. So this is my finished room. I hope you guys all gonna like my room and I'm really excited to film it. Now the sun is going down. Hopefully the lighting is as good as I can show you guys, and I'm trying my best to show you guys this in a perfect lighting, and I think the lighting in here is okay at the moment. Fingers crossed, let's see how it turns out. So if you like this kind of stuff, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, then hi, my name is Rahma and I do men's fashion and beauty video and also some lifestyle videos like these, and I'm uploading 3 times a week, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So if you like this kind of stuff, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and do let me know what other kind of videos you guys want me to do next. Alright, let's open it up, and this is my room. Now my room is super basic, super simple as I said, and I don't like to hold things or collect a lot of things, so I like to keep very minimalistic and bare minimum. So let's just start off with the big thing in my room, which is my bed. Now the bed is the biggest furniture in my room and it takes actually the most space as well. Now this bed, I had it for years and years and it lasted me for quite a long time. I quite like it. It's this chrome silver bed, and I don't know where it's from actually, but it's a double bed, so it's huge and massive and I need a double bed. And the pillowcases, the pillows, the mattress, the duvet cover, the duvet set, the fleece duvet, which is my favorite, which I use as a blanket on a daily basis when I'm working on bed most of the time during lockdown. And all of this is from Next Homeware, and I really like Next. The quality is great, the duvet is also amazing, and the duvet cover, everything is from Next as I mentioned. And the pillowcases and the fitted sheet is actually new, and it's this nice taupe color, very nice cotton material and very good quality material. I really love how this color palette matches my rug as well. Now this color is a taupe color, which is a really nice kind of coffee earthy color, which I like. So yeah, overall I'm really happy how this looks. It looks like a hotel, which I actually don't wanna make it like a hotel, but it kind of is. But I kind of like the tones at the moment with the gray and the taupe and the white, so it's kind of like a mixed trio colors. And in general, my bed is so comfortable, so comfy. I honestly spend most of the time on my bed. It's one of my favorite things to do apart from sleeping. I always chill in here, always hanging around, always on my laptop, always editing on my YouTube videos on my bed, which you actually shouldn't do, but I really like it. So yeah, this is my double bed, which takes actually the most space in my room. So next to my bed I have my bedside table or my drawer. Now this drawer is actually, I think, from IKEA. Again, very super basic, very super simple. The top drawer I keep my laptop, my notebook and some paper and pens and stuff like that. So the things I reach on a daily basis is all at the top and there. At the bottom, I don't know whether I should show you guys, I actually keep my underwear, my vest and my socks. Yeah, so I keep my underwear, my socks and my vest, they're all in there. And actually Calvin Klein is the only underwear I wear at the moment. They're honestly the best underwear in the world, just saying. On top of the bedside table I have like these magazines from Dior. Now the only thing I keep them there because sometimes when I have my coffee I like to put my coffee mug onto the magazine so I don't destroy the kind of my bedside tables with the coffee stains, which happened in the past as well. So I'm trying to put everything on top of here. And in here I have this nice lampshade. It's a very nice lamp. When you touch it, it turns on. Obviously it's plugged off at the moment, but this really is nice and ties everything together in a nice black tone. And obviously it's plugged under there, which I also keep my iPhone cable and my iPhone charger and other chargers is all in there, tucked away neat and tidy as well. Moving on, I have my huge wardrobe or my huge closet, and yes, there is me wearing my outfit for today. So this is like a cashmere roll neck I'm loving at the moment, wearing my Levi's jeans, and I'm wearing my slippers. But the initials I have, and they're also from Next, by the way, if you're wondering. And I'm wearing my nice, super comfy cashmere socks as well from Rahma. So about my wardrobe. Now I've done a dedicated video or a huge closet declutter organization / tour on my channel as well. I'm gonna leave a link in the I bar here below, as well as leave a link in the description. If you have not watched it, definitely go and watch it, because I have literally decluttered all of my clothes, and I got rid of so many stuff. So that's why I have done the dedicated videos. Definitely go and check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below as well for you guys to go and check it out. But I'm not gonna show you the inside because it is neat and tidy, but you guys already have seen it, or you have to go and watch it if you haven't already. So on top of it, I keep a Bottega box, a box full of empties, and my plants, which I really like. I love the Bottega box, how it looks really nicely, very simple. And I just like to keep nice boxes at the top basically at the moment. So this is this side. So obviously I mentioned my rug. My rug goes really nicely together with my color of my bed. This rug, I don't know where it's from. I believe it's also from Next. It's a very nice kind of soft rug in a nice kind of taupish, earthy coffee color. Amazing if you have coffee stains, which I don't, but just saying, if you spill your coffee. And moving on with the curtains, these curtains, I really like them as well. Now again, they're very nice and heavy material and quality, and they're very sturdy, so definitely amazing for the winter time, because the cold wind doesn't come from the windows, so I'm all nicely protected in there as well. And in here I have a unit from IKEA that I got last year. I really love this unit because it's a very simple kind of metal unit, and in here I keep things I like to put on display or things I reach the most. So I have my perfume collection in here, and one of my favorite perfume at the moment is the Emporio Armani Stronger With You perfume. And honestly, this perfume is my absolutely favorite scent ever. It's the intensity version, by the way. I have done dedicated videos about every single perfumes of mine. I give a lot of my perfumes away to my family, so this is all the things I have at the moment. Of course, I have the Voce Viva by Valentino. I love this fragrance so much. And my Armani and my Dior perfumes here as well. So if you guys want me to do a dedicated perfume collection video, do let me know in the comments down below. I have my favorite Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb candle. This candle smells absolutely amazing. You don't have to burn it. My whole room smells of this fragrance because that's how strong it is. I love it. In here I keep a plant, very simple, basic, and obviously my tweezers from Tweezerman. Honestly, these tweezers are the best tweezers in earth, so I always keep them here for on site. In here I have a basket. I keep my microphone in here, some filming cameras, and also my equipment for my filming, and also I keep my Canon camera here as well. In here I keep some of my makeup, my everyday makeup in here as well. In here I have some boxes and keep here also filming material, some paperwork, and some face mask in this Viktor & Rolf box in here. In here I have a Dr. Jart bag full of skincare. Now this is, oh my god, it's actually so heavy. I keep all of my skincare bits in here, and it's actually so heavy. And in here I have this pouch where I keep face mask and face kind of protection, and also gloves and sanitizers, all tucked away nicely in here. So it's all under reach, and also I can access it quickly, and it looks neat and tidy in general as well. So yeah, this is the half of the room, and the other half is very nice and empty. And actually in this part I keep all of my lights and my tripod in here. So obviously it's not here at the moment because it's tucked away underneath my bed, but normally it's either underneath the bed or they live in here, because this is the only space I have for my lights. And another few things I want to show you guys is this. One of my high school friends back in high school drew this for me, and I absolutely love this black and white drawing from me. It is from 2015 or 14, I believe. So one of my favorite drawings that the person made. So really love this. So I hung this up in this nice silver robustic frame. And this side I have a evil eye ornament. I love evil eyes. I love the whole meaning, the whole purpose, and the whole thing about evil eyes. So I just put the needle in here and put this next to my bed where I sleep, so I'm always protected from the devil. The meaning of evil eyes are one of my favorites, and I like to keep things from evil eyes, and I like to collect a lot of things which is related to evil eyes, so I keep that in there. And on this side now, oh my god, I got so many questions, so many requests, so many questions regarding this on my TikTok and also on my Instagram. Now these are basically, this should replicate a whole feather of a peacock, and if you go closely, if I go closely there are actually peacock feathers which I got from Amazon, and I've put those sticky glues on the wall and stuck them like it makes one whole peacock feather, if it makes sense. But they're made from tiny peacock feathers, and the peacock feathers are actually very good quality. And in general, I love peacocks and I love peacock feathers. I think they're so beautiful, the bird in general, and I just love how it kinda makes this room kinda different and unique. And obviously it starts off with a small feather, goes and to the biggest feather at the top, and I love how everything looks. And I'm really happy how the result came. I made it all by myself, no help, I had no inspiration. Well, I think I had inspiration from something else, but no one else made a feather kind of display on the walls. So I made it, and I really love how it turned out. And also mentioning, I have the same kind of lampshade which goes together with the one on my bedside table, which is also really nice. And yeah, so I mentioned the rug, I mentioned the curtains, and another thing I have on my wall is this. This is one of my absolute favorite things in my rooms as well. Now, I ordered a paint by numbers thing in the first lockdown last year in June or July time, and since then I've been drawing this and just spending my time drawing because I love creative things, I like drawings. And this is a Parrot Picture. I really love it. I got so many messages again from Instagram, like people loved it and they wanted to know where they can get it from as well. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to go and check it out. It's based in New York, so the shipping took actually quite a long time, and also during COVID it took more than usual, so it does come all the way from the States. But I love how it turned out. I love just they look together, and it kind of ties very nicely with the plant and everything, and looks very great as well. And it doesn't come with a frame, by the way. You can order the frame as well in the website, but I ordered mine without. This frame I got from Amazon. I'm gonna again leave the exact link below where you guys can go and get this, because the measurements have to be perfect, and this just fitted perfectly. It is not kind of glass, it's kind of hard plastic, but I think the hard plastic is much better because obviously it's not as heavy and it's great. And also I've used the command strips to put the strips there and not to destroy the walls, and this is how it looks, and I'm really happy about it. And sometimes I feel most of my sit down videos or most of my fashion videos in here in the corner, and I use the white wall because I needed a white wall for filming and for doing outfits, so I use this white wall most of the time. And of course I have my towels and my hand towel, and I keep my favorite thing on earth, my cap is always in here, because when I have a bad headache, the cap is the only thing that will help you, and you guys can know, and you all will relate as well. And there we go, guys. As I said, I'm gonna leave loads of links below in the description for the things I can find, slash of the Parrot Picture and the frames and the duvet set, the duvet cover. So all of the things I can find, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys down below, as well as I'm gonna leave a link of the parrot feathers, not the parrot, the peacock feathers down below in the description box down below as well. Alright guys, so this was my room. So I hope you guys all liked my room and enjoyed it, and I really like my room. It's very nice, and honestly in my room I like to keep things simple and basic, as I said. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Also follow me on my Instagram at Rahma for more fashion content and beauty content in there as well. Thanks so much for watching guys. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one.